Welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for a Spendee account. To sign up for Spendee, first of all, download the Spendee application on your mobile device, whether you're using your iOS device or your Android device. Go ahead and open either App Store or Play Store and download the Spendee application on your device. Now, once you've done that, launch it open, and then soon after you open up the app, this will be the first interface. To sign up for a new account, click on the Sign Up with Email option at the bottom of the screen. You can also sign up using your Apple ID, Google account, or Facebook. Choose one of the options you would like to go on with. I'm gonna choose the Sign Up with Email option. Tap on it, and on the next page, enter a valid email address you have an access to. After you type in a valid email, go to the next field and type in a password. Create a strong password for your account and tap on Sign Up. Allow Spendee to send you notifications by tapping Allow, or if you don't want to receive notifications yet, tap on Don't Allow. Now, enter some details about you on the next page. Type in your first name and then your last name. You can also upload a profile picture for yourself by tapping on the little camera icon and choose an existing picture from your camera's library, or simply tap on Take a Photo and take a photo from your camera. After you are done, tap Continue and tap on Agree in the pop-up. Now you can select whether add transaction manually to enter your first transaction, or if you want to connect your bank accounts to the profile, tap on Connect your bank account. After you are done signing up and setting up your profile, you can choose your plan, since Spendee offers both free and premium subscription plans. You may be prompted to choose a plan, but you can also start with the free version if you prefer. Once your account is set up, you can now start using Spendee to track your expenses, manage your budgets, and achieve your financial goals. Create your first budget and then get started with Spendee. Make sure to explore the features and then customize it to suit your needs. You can add bank accounts, set up budgets, categorize transactions, and much more to get a comprehensive view of your finances. So that was how you can easily sign up for Spendee in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.